Inspired by the sun, powered by ideas, designed by BREYER. BREYER extrusion lines for encapsulation film. One of the important components in the manufacturing of photovoltaic modules is the encapsulation film. Its production in the extrusion process requires a special technology if the product must be produced at low cost and with the right properties. BREYER offers the complete system, including dosing systems for compounds or single additives. The high-performance single-screw extruder with its specially designed screw allows a high output while keeping the melt temperature low. Resins with different types of VA content and melt flow index can be processed with the same screw design. Regrind material coming from the edge stripes can be processed as well. With the unique BREYER process unit, it is possible for the first time to extrude EVA film at high speed while keeping the shrinkage rate low. The process avoids tension in the film right from the start, so post-annealing systems are not required. Without those systems, the line also consumes less energy. Encapsulation film produced on regular extrusion lines naturally has shrinkage, which not only affects the process of laminating, but can result in destroyed wafers, creating waste and increased production costs. Furthermore, due to the individually designed surface of the EVA film, the PE interlayer becomes obsolete. The rolls can be wound without PE film in between. Carrying paper, which is sometimes used for the manufacturing of EVA film, also becomes unnecessary. This not only reduces costs, but saves valuable resources too. Today, EVA film from BREYER systems is successfully used in mass production of solar modules. The first module was already TUV certified in early 2010. A pilot line is ready for demonstration and function testing, as well as for the production of rolls for your pre-marketing. EVA resin and alternative materials for encapsulation can be tested. Benefit from BREYER technology for your successful product due to higher output, higher extrusion speed, controlled low shrinkage, saving of interlayer film and carrying paper, reduced energy consumption, and of course, profitable production. Profit not only from premium equipment, but also the experience gathered during decades of German engineering. BREYER, one of the most reasonable investments in the future, made in Germany.